I'm gonna open it up, and it's my LCD for the Gopro 3 and 3 Plus. Here it is. Alright. I'm going to pull the little tab off. Be careful. They're hooked on. You don't want to break them. And then there's a glue over here inside. You can heat it up or just slowly lift it up with like a utensil. Now we're going to use a T4 6-star screw. I'm going to remove all 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you lift it up from this side. You pull this to the side and lift it up. And right here, you gotta make sure you have no SD card. And then you pull this back and you lift it up, because these are kind of inserted into that. Now, it might take some time in the beginning, but after that, if you open any other ones, it should be easy. Simple. Now this is the cable for the LCD. It goes all around and then up to here. So right here, this thing is already too bent. What you want to do is you pull this little tab, black tab up, and then you pull this out like that. It should open. Then over here, let me get a little blade. I'm gonna get a little blade so I can lift up the cable. You can apply some small heat. That way it comes out easier since it's glued. Once you are able to lift that up, this will come out. See that little loop right here? It went in, the cable went in through here. I'll show you right now when we put it in. All we gotta do is lift it up. See how much glue there is? Okay. Now the LCD, and just pull this up. It should come up right away. Has like tape back here so the LCD doesn't move around. that out. And then notice that it has this silver plate. So I might have to remove this glue, this little paper. It's part of the bracket to hold the LCD in place so it's not moving around. Mess it up or anything. So like slowly lift it up. Slowly lift up the tape. It doesn't really matter if you do it hard, but you can mess up the LCD, right? So it's the old one, the one you're replacing, but you don't want to rip the tape up. Like that. So just go around the edges, lifting it up so it comes out, and then you can place it on the new one. Firmly press on it so it can just tapes up. You can go over with this and then just apply a little pressure to it. Once it's good, and it's good, now you can put it back on the, insert this through that little gap. And then make sure that gray plastic goes in with the connector behind this tab, behind there. And then place it down. So this thing didn't have glue in the back. So there's the old one, and there's the new one. And then okay, we go back here, and we're going to connect this cable. Don't forget to lift this up. You don't want to mess up the ribbon. Just insert it there slightly, not too hard. You don't want to bend the new cable. And then make sure that that yellow part, the golden plate on the ribbon, matches up as close as possible to a white line right here, that white line, all the way across. After that, you can go ahead and close the tab. And so then you've replaced it, you can remove this plastic. Okay, and just put it back in place. Don't forget to connect the cable and slightly push it down. Okay, so we replaced it, and now we just put the battery in, turn on the camera, and there you go. Should be working. Alright, thanks for watching. If you guys need any help or come to any troubles, go ahead and comment.